Hi, I'm Justin Hogg from Podiatry and the Running Analysis Centre. I'm excited to be here today to talk to you about plantar fasciitis. We treat people every day with this condition and people are always asking me what simple and easy things can we do at home that can help our pain and relieve it pretty quickly. Today I'm going to be sharing one of these simple remedies with you. It's quick, it's easy, and gives good relief from your pain, and I'm excited to get started. If you have plantar fasciitis and you're interested in looking at other home remedies that can help you out, then please stick around to the end of this video because we've made a simple resource with lots of different ways in which we can help you. What is this simple technique I'm talking about? It's icing. Now, icing's great for plantar fasciitis because it helps not only with inflammation, but also with pain. So what you're going to need to do is get yourself an ice bottle. We usually recommend an old 600ml Coke bottle and filling that with water and popping it in your freezer. Now, using this ice underneath your foot, you want to roll it underneath your arch up to your heel and do that continuously back and forth. And the best 2 times of the day to do this are at lunchtime when you sit down for a break, and also at the end of the day, maybe while you're watching telly. Now, if you do this twice a day for 15 minutes, you can actually get great relief from your pain. So just to recap, get yourself an ice bottle twice a day, 15 minutes at a time, and you'll be well on your way. As mentioned earlier, we've developed a resource to help you treat your plantar fasciitis at home. This contains 5 simple and easy home remedies you can do in your own home, and the best thing about it is it's completely free. So if you'd like a copy of this, please comment below, yes please, or head over to our website and head to our plantar fasciitis page. I'm Justin Hogg from Podiatry and the Running Analysis Centre. Thank you very much for watching our video, and we look forward to helping you soon.